Hello YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and today is the start of a brand new series called Fanware Files. What this series is about is where you can send me anything you want, even malware, and I might feature it in a video. I'd like to thank Corvette on my Discord server to be the first ever participant. I really appreciate it. Anyways, enough talking, let's see what these actually do. So we got a zip folder and a VBS file. Let's check out the zip folder first. Alright, so we got CD drive script and another VBS script. Let's check out this one. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's real nice. Oh my god, it's a do loop. Haha. Let's end that with Task Manager, shall we? And this CD drive script now. There's no physical CD drive on a virtual machine now, is there? So, I guess the only thing we could pay attention to is the CD drive down here. Alright, let's see what... Okay, it should unmount... Yep, okay, it unmounted it. I guess I'll have to show this on a physical PC after, so I can see that actually in action. Let's terminate that one too. Alright, now let's check out this last file. Keyboard disco. Seems legit. Open it. Alright. I don't know, I'll probably show this later, but my physical keyboard, the lights are flickering like crazy. The scroll caps and numlock, so yeah, I'm gonna open up Notepad and see how this looks. Yeah. Oh god. Oh boy. Hello there. This is getting messed up. Oh no. Yeah, boy. Pretty nice for the first files to be sent to me. Well, I guess I'll show you the physical effects the other two files do. Show that in a moment. Okay, so this is the CD ejecting script. And I can see the disk went back in. That's something that didn't happen on the VM. Alright, now here is the keyboard disco script. And as you can see, the lights are flashing like a little disco ball. Yeah. It's kind of cool to watch whenever you're bored. Daily tips for people who don't know what to do. Run these scripts and you can watch your keyboard all day. Alright, that's just about it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out.